Your liver is the powerhouse that keeps your body running smoothly. But did you know that a sluggish liver can affect everything from your energy levels to your skin's appearance? In this video, we're exploring the importance of liver detox and how making a few easy changes can improve your health. Get excited to discover the keys to becoming a healthier and more energetic version of yourself. Welcome to the Longevity Sage, where we delve into natural health remedies and detoxification. Today, we are going to look into why liver detox is important and how it can really make a difference in your health. Your liver is super important because it helps clean out harmful substances and waste from your body. So it's really important to take care of it and keep it working well. Liver detoxification is a way to clean and refresh this important organ, which can lead to better digestion, more energy, and feeling healthier overall. In this video, we will share some simple and useful tips that you can add to your everyday life to help keep your liver healthy. Get set to discover how to take care of your body from the inside and start a path to improved health with our expert tips on natural liver detox. Understanding liver detox. In this part, we will explore the interesting topic of liver detoxification and how important it is for keeping our health in top shape. The liver is an important organ that acts like a filter, removing harmful substances and waste from our blood, which helps our bodies work properly. The liver goes through a complicated process using enzymes and chemical reactions to change dangerous substances into safer ones that the body can get rid of easily. Today, our bodies face a lot of environmental toxins like dirty air and unhealthy processed foods, which really make it hard for our livers to do their job of detoxifying. Making unhealthy choices like drinking too much alcohol and eating a lot of processed foods can really hurt your liver. This can cause toxins to build up and might even damage this important organ. It's really important to notice the signs that show your liver might need a cleanse and some fresh energy. If you're feeling super tired and have bloating, skin problems, or tummy troubles, these could be warning signs that your liver is overloaded and having a hard time doing its job of cleaning out toxins. If you notice these signs and take action to help your liver, you can avoid health problems and feel better overall. Keep watching as we look into easy ways to clean and refresh your liver naturally, giving you the power to manage your health and live in a cleaner, healthier space. Natural remedies for liver detox. In this part, we will explore a bunch of great natural ways to clean and refresh your liver, which can help you feel more energetic. By adding certain herbs, foods, and supplements that are good for your liver into your everyday life, you can help your liver detox and work better. Here's a list of some foods that are beneficial to your liver. Herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric are famous for helping the liver stay healthy and for helping the body get rid of toxins. Milk thistle acts as a powerful liver cleanser by rebuilding liver cells, reducing liver damage, and removing toxins from the body that are processed through the liver. Dandelion root benefits your liver, helping protect it from oxidative stress and keeping it working effectively. Turmeric contains curcumin, a fat-soluble ingredient with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help detoxify the liver in several ways. Curcumin helps keep the bile duct, a liver cleanser, flowing smoothly. Turmeric helps the liver modify, inactivate, and eliminate toxins and excess substances such as hormones. These strong herbs have special ingredients that protect liver cells, lower inflammation, and assist in removing harmful substances from the body. Adding these herbs to your meals or taking them as supplements can really help your liver stay healthy. Also, drinking plenty of water is super important for keeping your liver working its best. Incorporating liver detox into your routine. In this part, we will provide some simple steps and helpful tips to incorporate liver detox habits into your daily routine, empowering you to boost your health and feel great overall. When making your plan, consider what foods you enjoy, how active you are, and any health problems that you may have. A step-by-step guide can help you know exactly what to do, such as including liver-friendly foods in your meals, using herbal supplements, and drinking detox beverages each day. Starting a liver cleanse can be a bit challenging, and you may face some obstacles along the way. Remember, it takes time to see progress, and staying consistent is super important if you want to enjoy the long-term benefits of cleaning your liver. If you're trying to change how you eat, handle detox symptoms, or stay motivated, look in the description box for some useful tips. These can help you overcome challenges and stay on track with your liver detox journey. If you're concerned about your health or have any medical problems, it's smart to consult a doctor or a health professional before making any changes to your diet or way of living. By incorporating these tips and ideas into your daily routine, you can enjoy the fantastic benefits of liver detox and pave the way for a healthier and more energetic lifestyle. In this video, we talked about all the great things that liver detox can do for you, showing how important it is for keeping your body healthy. Helping your liver get rid of toxins can lead to more energy, better digestion, and a fresh feeling of being alive. Don't forget that a healthy liver is super important for a healthy body, and taking care of it is like giving yourself a special present. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and remedies about holistic health. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video to help others learn about the advantages of natural liver detox methods. Thanks for being with us on this exciting journey of liver detox and boosting your energy naturally. Let's work together to harness the power of natural remedies and holistic health to take care of our bodies and enhance our well-being.